Okay, so let's discuss the few terms which are related to reflection. First of all, the incident ray of light. So a ray of light from a surface that falls on the surface is called an incident ray. Then the point at which the incident ray strikes the surface is known as point of incidence. Then after striking at the point of incidence, the ray of light bounces back from the surface of object. So that ray of light is known as reflected ray of light. Next is normal point of incidence. So it is a line which is drawn perpendicular on the surface, that is it makes an angle of 90 degree, and this line is considered where we see the reflection of the light. So that is known as normal point of incidence. Now the angle formed between the incident ray and the normal is called angle of incidence. Similarly, the angle formed between the normal and the reflected ray is called as the angle of reflection. So these are the few terms. That we have discussed. So this is incident ray, the ray of light which strikes the surface at the P, that is point of incidence. This is the normal, imaginary normal, which separates this incident ray and the reflected ray, and this green line is the reflected ray, which after striking reflects from the surface. The angle between the incident ray and this normal is known as angle of incidence, and the angle between this reflected ray and normal is known as angle of reflection. So henceforth, these are the few terms that we have discussed for the reflection. So this is the end of today's discussion. In the next week, we will resume with the discussion of this topic. For now, thank you.